Hello, my name is Sebastian Napiorkowski, and I welcome you to my short clip regarding my master's thesis project leveraging process mining for error sequence detection. What I will do is I will launch these 3 lines here, and because it takes a little while, I will do it now. The first line takes the most of the time because it loads the pre-aligned data into the cache, and based on this data we will apply community-based clustering, which will result in for each cluster in a process model description. And now I will show you a little bit of the motivation behind the project. Modern cars, when driving, are producing error logs, and if we take more of these cars, we can actually search for similar sequences inside them and use these sequences to cluster the common subsequences across the array of error logs, and these can then be fed into the process mining algorithm, which condenses then a process model description. Like I said, the loading takes a while, but now we see the debug output of the Fodina miner, which calculates different metrics and graphs the different clusters. We see some disconnected events that could not be connected to the net, but overall these are the process models that could be created from the data that was available to me. Thank you.